So I got this keyboard off Amazon. It was like $39 or something like that. I'll post it in the video. But this is about how big it is. It's kind of heavy. It's not very light. But that's just because of the back right here. It has like, you know, the internal parts, and yeah, it's kind of heavy, kind of weighted right there in the front part of it. One thing I do like about this keyboard is that it has this slot right here for a phone or like maybe a small tablet, but it's mainly for a phone. I have an iPhone 12, the regular size, and it fits in there pretty well, both ways, vertical, horizontal. And then also, I have a case on it, and it's kind of a thick case. It's not really small, and it fits in there pretty well, so I like that. And then it came with this wireless keyboard manual. It shows you how to do everything, how to use the lights, and how to connect it to your computer. It came with a like USB connector, and that's how I connected mine, is through that method. It's also Bluetooth as well, so you can connect it through Bluetooth. But this setup with my laptop was actually very easy. I just plugged it in and it connected right away. So underneath the keyboard is where you slide it on and off. So another thing I like about this keyboard is that it's very quiet when typing. So, I mean, you can't really hear it. My other one was pretty loud and noisy, and this one's very quiet. It has 7 colors. Let me cycle through them real quick. So in order to get to the colors, there's a button here, scroll, and then you just hit function. Which of course it's on the other side, so I gotta use both hands to do it. Here are the colors. We got blue. This is like a white, green, red, like a light blue, I guess, purple, and then I think, a green. I think that's it. I think I showed you all the colors, but yeah, I mean, I was having a hard time trying to cycle through the colors. But you can also turn the keys, the brightness, so you can turn it up, the brightness up or down, depending on how you like it. I don't like mine too bright, so let's see. See, that's really bright. That's too bright for me, so I keep it on that one. But overall, I really like this keyboard. It is quiet. It is wireless. That's a plus. And then I like the fact that it's backlit, which is nice. And then just the keys, you know, they're not bulky and fat like some of the other computers, and it's just real nice. And I like the fact that it has the num lock over here, so you know, if you have like a lot of numbers to enter, you can use that. But overall, this is a really nice keyboard. When I got the keyboard, it was already charged, and I used it for 8-hour work day already, fresh out the box, and I haven't had to charge it. It does come with a charging cable, and it is this charging adapter. So it comes with that, which is a nice touch. It doesn't come with like a power box to plug into the wall. It just comes with this cord, but it's all good. I have a docking station I can plug it into when I need to charge it, but it seems like the battery life is pretty good on it so far. And this is what it looks like with my phone in the slot. You can flip it up, check that out. It's very nice. I really like this keyboard. Recommend buying one.